All right, we're in for a fun one today. Um, we're out back at the river, and we're gonna do some ultralight fishing. I got my ultralight rod, and I got a few baits that I've had some success with that we're gonna use. It's been raining a lot the past couple days, so the water's up really high. I don't think we'll do that good today. I've got a few hours to kill, so we're gonna go see what we can do. Um, Yeah, so hopefully I don't get in over my waders and don't drown today. But either way, we're gonna try it and see what we can get. So let's go. All right, so yeah, the water is freaking up right now, man. This ain't gonna be easy. But anyways, what I got tied on right now is I got a little Hellgrammite tied on, just on a little jig head. And this guy has actually done wonders for me in this water, so maybe it can get me a fish today. I'm using 4-pound line, ultralight rod, so not much else to it. Let's get in the water. I believe I just felt a raindrop. I know the rain's supposed to come again, but oh, dude, we got bit right here. Oh man, I was sitting here talking. But anyways, it's supposed to rain at some point. I don't think it's gonna rain too heavy, so I'm gonna try to stick it out. Dude, I got a bite right here. It was right at my feet. That's typical. All right, so there's fish around here. They're biting today, or at least that one did. That's good news. To be honest with you, that one felt like a trout, and I've definitely caught trout on this Hellgrammite. They will hit it. Trout just have that really quick, just bop, and either they get it or they don't get it. And most of the time, in my experience, if they don't get it the first time, I don't know. Could be untrue, but they're not coming back for it. Man, I'm a little nervous. I don't know how deep this water is gonna get. I feel like it's gonna just drop at any second, like really deep. We're just gonna keep going, I suppose. Tighten up my bag so it doesn't get wet. Oh man, I can't fall, I can't fall. It's not a good place to fall. Big eddy right here. Let's see if there's anything in there. Oh man, it's getting freaking deep right here, man. Jeez. Holy cow. That's a little deeper than I wanted right there. I'm just still walking in it. Holy cow. That was super deep right there. No, something's on it. Oh, finally got a decent little hit. Let's try that again. Yeah, take it, bud. See, you want it? This might be a tiny little thing. Jeez, dude. I don't know if I'll be able to hook this guy. He's still pulling on it. Too small, man. There's definitely some fish right here. What is going on? Oh, there we go. We got him. What is it, a rock bass? We got us a little rock bass. Let's go over here to the bank so we can get this guy off. We are in some deep water right here. This is much deeper than it usually is. Jeez Louise. All right, cool. First fish of the day, rock bass on the Hellgrammite. There he is. Cool. See you later. Oh, I'm losing my rod and reel. All right. Freaking soaked. Let's keep going, I guess. Something's on it. Has he got it though? Maybe. Give him a second. I think he's got it. He was trying to. This bait isn't that big, so these have to be some like really small fish. Yeah. Has he got it though? Does he have it? It's the real question. Daggone, dude, what is this? These are like some little minnows right here for sure. We'll try them one more time. Then we gotta figure out how to get out of here. Let's see, it seems like it's just deep right here. So, let's be smart about this. I'd like to get back across the river somehow, but I don't want to do it right here. Alright, speed of the water starting to pick up a little bit, and it just got a little deeper right there, so... Oh, it's getting deeper right here. Man, this is tough. This is freaking tough, dude. I'm trying not to get my bag entirely wet. It's got the rest of my camera stuff in it. Yeah, this is... And this water's starting to move a little quicker. Right here, I better not lose my footing. I definitely don't want to... Huh, what am I going to do? I just gotta be real careful, man. I just need to get back on the other side. All right. Get to the other side. That's all I need to do. I'm almost there. It doesn't look like it, but man, this water is moving. And in waders, this isn't too easy, honestly. It's a lot of water. I need to make sure my camera stuff isn't getting soaked either. Try not to fall. Jeez. All right. This might be the toughest wading I've ever done as far as current. All right, so I'm pretty sure this side's a little bit more shallow. So we're just gonna stick to this side and cast to the other side. If I didn't have my camera stuff with me, I would not care about getting wet today, but I really don't want to ruin that stuff, so we're gonna be smart, or try to. And what I'm gonna do is just pitch this little bait into all these little eddies. That's where these fish will be hanging out, or at least some of them, if they're not in the current. This is tough, man. Oh my goodness, this is tough. This is definitely a challenge. This is a fun way to... Oh. So either make your day or break your day right here. Either way, it's a fun little challenge. Guys, I am so deep in this water right now. It is just, I thought it would get more shallow and shallow, but it's not. It is not getting shallow at all. Oh, wading up against it's really tough. So we might have to come up with a different plan for today. All right, so we're gonna have to come up with something else, because that was just too deep and too fast, man. Like, I love doing this, but I don't want to get hurt today, so We're gonna figure out something. We might, I don't know. I don't really want to walk upstream because I don't want to walk against the current like this. We might have to go find somewhere with some decent bank access, so that might be the next move. We got something. What do we got? Another rock bass. Cool. He ain't bad. It's a pretty good one. Tough to get him today, so I'll take that. There might be a few more over there. All right. We're at spot number 2 right now. Water's definitely high no matter where I go, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. This looks all right. If we can get across over there, that'd be the best. I could probably go stand out there. Let's try that. Alrighty, well, not much luck yet, so we're moving on to spot number 3. I don't know. There might be a fish here. There might not be, but we're gonna find that out. Whew. I gotta wake up. All right, let's go. Went ahead and made another lure change. I threw on the Panther Martin right here, so I think it'll catch something. It does a pretty good job most of the time. It's really good bait, so yeah, this water's moving pretty quick. I don't know. I'm not gonna give it too much longer, but yeah, I figured I might as well switch up baits while I'm here. Let's give it a go. Oh, something. Oh, wow. Okay. No, something decent just came and hit it. That might have been a trout. He hit it right at my feet, too. First cast. Oh, no. Look at that. Boom. Red breast sunfish. Come here, you little feller. He inhaled that thing, man. Give it some line real quick. I don't know if this was the fish that just came up and hit this, but either way, we got him. That didn't take long at all. All right, there he is. Cool. Second cast with the good old Panther Martin. Try that again. Oh, we got something. Another one. Look at that. Cool. Heck yeah, man. I said I was going to come out here today and catch anything I freaking could, so yeah, here we are. Little red breast guy. Old Panther Martin's getting it done. Oh, we got something a little bigger right here. What do we got? What do we got? What is this? Small guy. Oh, nice, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Heck yeah. Nice. Might have to get my pliers out. Yeah, let's do that. See if I can hold him between my legs there for a minute. He might shake himself loose. I don't know. If he does, that'll just make it easier for us. Where the heck did I put him? Here's a good tip for any of you guys watching. Make sure you know where your pliers are before you start, because you could be in this situation right now, and I think I might know where they're at. Yeah, cool. We're good. Is he still on there? Yeah, he's still on there. Not a bad one, man. Heck yeah. Made a couple casts with this Panther Martin. It's already caught. Oh, he's spitting up a minnow. Oh, hold on, look at this. See if I can pull it out. Ew. Ew, man. Sorry, dude. I just took your dinner out of your gut, but... Alright, so I unhooked that guy and he flopped right back in the water where he belongs, so... Cool. Another fish right there. Let's put these down here so maybe I don't lose them. Alright, cool. Let's do that again. Oh, we got another fish, dude. Look at that. Next cast. I don't know what this is. Maybe another red breast. It is. Nice, man. That's awesome. They're eating it, man. Getting all the hooks in their mouth for sure. Look at that guy. See it. Wipe that camera off. Dude, this is awesome. I'm glad I changed baits, man. Freaking almost every cast I've made with this have caught a fish. Yeah, look at that, man. No way. What the heck is going on? This is a bigger fish. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. He choked that thing. Absolutely choked it. I mean, not that it's much to choke, but still, they won it today. He's gone. Plopped right out of my hand. But we got him. So that's dope. That's like 3 or 4 casts in a row that we've caught a fish. Let's see how many times we can do that. That's awesome. Check them out. Right at my toes, man. This guy hit right at my toes. Like he didn't even see me here. There he goes. Cool, that's another fish. Well, that wasn't exactly the best day of fishing as far as catching fish goes, but I still had a lot of fun. That was a crazy challenge, especially there at the beginning when I thought it'd be smart to get in the water and actually try to wade through this mess. Not a good idea. If I could ever make a suggestion, it's wait till the water's a little bit calm before you get in there, because it's a lot rougher than it looks once you actually get in there. So regardless, we caught a few fish on the Hellgrammite today, and as soon as I put that Panther Martin on, what do you know, caught a bunch of fish like that. That thing is just a fish catching machine, so it really does its job. Either way, today was a pretty good day. Nothing monstrous, but we still caught fish on a day where the river is extremely flooded, so any day you can do that, that's a good day. It's always tough during these conditions, but you got to go when you can. You really got to go fishing whenever you can. So anyways, till next time.